Hey everyone, it's Jessie. For the month of November, I have joined a collab with Heather over at Strings and Threads and Teresa at Critters Crochet. This month, they also invited some other creators, Connie at Just Another Stitch and Thomas from Totally Fierce Crochet. And the collab is called Battle of the Stitches. What Heather and Teresa do each month is they pick a stitch from this book here, The Step-by-Step Guide to 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todd Hunter. And this month happens to be the rocking stitch, also known as the Trinity Stitch. This is the stitch here. It's quite beautiful. I absolutely love this stitch. So when they pick a stitch for the month, all the creators that are joining for the month will use this stitch and create their own project. And so the first Wednesday of the month, everybody does a video on their channel introducing the stitch, and they also put out a tutorial on how to work that stitch. And then the second Wednesday of the month, everybody gives a sneak peek of what they're working on, and we let you guys take a guess on what that is. And that was actually last week we did that. And then the third Wednesday of the month, which is now, we will actually show you what we've made. So be sure to check out all the channels involved. I'm going to have them all linked in the description below so you can go ahead and check out everybody's videos, because we're also going to put up a community poll where you can vote which project you like the most. And then the fourth Wednesday of the month, we are all going to do a live where we announce which creator won the Battle of the Stitches. And then we're also going to do a drawing where one of you can win the winning project. But in order to win, when we put out the polls on our community tabs, you'll need to leave one comment on anybody's poll, just a comment saying you voted, or you can really say anything, and then that's how you're entered into the drawing. I'm going to have all the details for Battle of the Stitches in my description below, so you can go ahead and check it all out in case I missed any details. All right, it's time to reveal my project. Now, I know many of you had really good guesses. Some of you guessed a book cover, or maybe a little notions bag of some sort. We also had a guess of a scarf. Here it is. So yes, it is a scarf, but I did make it into an infinity scarf, one that will wrap around your neck twice. So I actually crocheted it till about 75 inches to get it the length that I liked. And I find the rocking stitch is so beautiful. Oh, I love the colors of this. So I used Lion Brand Mandala yarn, and I believe it was in the color Dragon. And of course, those that know me know I absolutely love blues. I love greens, I love browns, so it has all of that in there. I absolutely fell in love with these colors. Be on the lookout today because I am going to have a tutorial on how I made this scarf. Alright, so I thought I'd try it on so you could see it a little bit better. I'm never the best at putting infinity scarves on to make it look the best, but here it is. I just love these colors. Aren't they just gorgeous? This stitch makes it just nice and warm. I sometimes tend to forget when I put scarves on. It covers my mic, so hopefully you guys were still able to hear me okay. But yeah, so that's what my project is. I absolutely love it. Of course, that's one of my favorite things to make is an infinity scarf. Again, keep an eye out for the tutorial that will also be coming out today. If you're interested in making this infinity scarf, it does make a great gift for Christmas, or if you want something for yourself to stay warm. And also keep an eye out because on my community tab, I'll be putting up a poll today where you can vote which project you like the most. Again, just a reminder, check out everybody's videos first. I will have them all linked in the description below. So please head on over to their channels, subscribe if you like, if you don't want to miss any of their videos, and check out their video reveal, and then vote on the community tabs. You can vote on anyone's community tab. You can vote on everyone's, or you can vote on one. But make sure that you vote and then leave one comment on anybody's community tab just stating you voted or any kind of kind comment so you can be entered into the giveaway. The live will be Wednesday the 27th at 11 a.m. Central Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Time, so I hope you can join us. And I believe it'll be on either Heather's channel or Teresa's. I'm not quite sure. I will be sure to post it in my community tab, so keep an eye out in the week to come, and I will give you guys all the information. I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.